wants to have this on their body? Particles in a makeup product? Not excited? Hi guys, in this video we are going to be unboxing the H&M Advent Calendar. This is the makeup countdown advent calendar with 24 products. The price of it is 25 euros and this is one of the tiniest advent calendars that I found this year. I will try to calculate the overall value of all the products, so make sure to stay until the end. I didn't know that they were going to release an advent calendar this year, and some of you recommended this to me, and you also gave me information where to find it, so thank you so much. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell. This way you're going to get notified for my unboxing videos. And let's see what this one here hides behind its pink doors. Door number 1 is here, and we have a lipstick. The first product is a red lipstick. It says Makeup Countdown. It doesn't have a scent and we are getting 1.3 grams of product. This is a mini size. The packaging is a little bit flimsy. Oops. Yeah, it's not easy to keep it in the middle of the lipstick. It is very creamy. I think this is the same lipstick that I have now on my lips. This is Bioessence, by the way. So this is a dark berry lipstick, very pretty for the holidays. And this one has like a semi-matte finish and a very nice color payoff. Door number 2 is here. And this is an eyeshadow. Paper cut! No! This one here is a gold shimmery eyeshadow. And it says again Makeup Countdown. This is not the shade of the product. It contains 1.5 grams of product. So we have a clear packaging. You can see the metallic pan. It has a little opening here and you can take this out and have it in a Z palette. Ooh, that's very pretty. It is a yellow gold eyeshadow with a shiny finish. Super pretty. On some skin tones you can also use this one as a highlighter. You can take a fluffier, bigger brush and diffuse this on your cheekbones and you're going to have a beautiful gold sheen. Let me know in the comments if you have any favorite makeup products by H&M. I haven't tried any. We used to be obsessed, me and my sister, with the H&M lip glosses. We also loved the nail polishes, and after that they stopped producing makeup products, I think, and they started again 2 years ago or 1 year ago. Moving on to door number 3. This is another mini lip product. So this one here is a mini lip gloss. We have 2 milliliters. It has a very nice applicator. Ooh, that looks more like a liquid lipstick, not a lip gloss. This one looks like a cool tone dark purple lip gloss. I think it has a little bit of pink. It is a very nice shade. It has a very nice glossy finish as well. Door number 4. This one here is a gold lipstick. It contains 1.3 grams of product and it is here. Yeah, the packaging is exactly the same. Oh, that's a little bit transparent. It is like a lip topper. It has a greasy feeling. It is a little bit slippery. And as I can see, it has a lot of gold micro glitter. So maybe you can use this on the center of the lips. Unexpected. Next we have door number 5 here. Oh, these are some very chunky glitter. They are loose nail glitter. Okay, yes, these are very big for your eyes. Don't use them on your eyes. And we have 3 grams of product. I don't have any other information. I think these are very big even for a nail design. What do you think? Number 6 is here. Oh, we have one more eyeshadow. I like that you can remove it from the case. It is a light pink shimmery eyeshadow and it has some very fine gold micro glitter. Oh, so this is not an eyeshadow, it is a highlighter. You can definitely use it as an eyeshadow, and it has a little bit of a transparent finish, so maybe you can also use it as an eyeshadow topper. Moving on to door number 7. This one looks like pressed glitter. Let's see. Ooh, it feels creamy but also chunky. Oh my god. It is weird. It is like a paste. It feels like a gel with a lot of glitter in it. And I have almost applied everything. I don't know if this is going to be very durable on the eyes. So this is not blended. It looks more like I moved the eyeshadow. I don't think this is going to look nice on the eyes. Oh no, I have glitter on my arm, glitter on my face, in my soul. We have door number 8 here. This is another tiny lip gloss. It is a pink one with some very fine micro glitter. It has a little bit of a chemical scent. It reminds me of berry bubblegum. So the consistency is a little bit different than other products that I have tried. It is stickier, I think, and thicker, but also very glossy. 9 is... I have no idea. Oh, it is a glitter glue. They have thought of everything. And we have 2.5 milliliters. It's very tiny. Yeah, I'm guessing we can use it on the face, so maybe it works with the glitter. Number 10 is here. Oh, another lipstick. Let's see the shade. It is scentless. Oh, it has a very nice matte finish. Very pretty. It has a cool undertone and it is a deeper purple shade. Very nice. So this one reminds me a little bit of the lip gloss that we got. It is darker and you can use both of them if you want. What is this? So this is an eyeliner? Oh my god, I can't read. The letters are so small on these products. Yes, it looks like an eyeliner. Let's see the applicator. This one is a clear eyeliner with gold micro glitter. You can use this for a beautiful half cut crease, also on top of another eyeliner. Another way to use this one is as a glitter topper on top of another eyeshadow on the eyelid in the inner corner. It is going to look very nice. So door number 12. After that we have a highlighter. This is a light silvery highlighter with a purple sheen and it looks super pretty. You can also use this one to highlight the tear duct. It looks like it has a very nice pigmentation, but I will also need to use them on my face. Let me know if you want to see a full face makeup look with the products of this advent calendar. And about the eyeliner, it's completely dry now. While it was setting on my skin, it was a little bit uncomfortable. I could feel it that it was setting, but now it's fine. And we have here loose glitter. As I can see, silver with purple and pink, I think. I was not expecting a doe foot applicator and I have glitter all over my desk now. So I thought we would have a shifter. Oh my god, it looks amazing. It has a very nice sheen. I think I ate some glitter. You definitely need to use the glitter glue for this one because it's just glitter. It's not going to set on your eyes. I want to try the glitter glue now that we have some loose glitter. It feels like a gel and I'm going to let it set a little bit. And after that, I'm going to use the loose glitter. The glue now is a little bit sticky and the glitter are looking fantastic on the glue. After a while, the glue is completely dry and it's not even sticky. I skipped a number. This is 13. Professional unboxing again. This is another lip gloss. It looks again like a dark purple. Yeah, well, this is a very nice deep purple lip shade for the winter. A lot of purple lip shades in this advent calendar. Let's continue with door number 15. This is an eyeshadow, but I think they are glitter. Let's see. Yeah, it has the same consistency with the other pressed silver glitter here. And it feels a little bit chunky. It is like sand, grainy. And as I can see, this is a transparent gel paste eyeshadow. And it has a lot of gold micro glitter. I think this can be used as an eyeshadow topper as well. So I have never tried eyeshadows by H&M. Let me know if you have tried this formula and how are you applying this one on your eyes with just your fingertips, sponge tip applicator. How? Oh no, more glitter. This is the glitter advent calendar, and we have here some more loose nail glitter. These are like transparent glitter. These are not going to stay on your nails for too long because they are very big. You need to do a gel manicure or acrylic nails so they can be covered very well with the acrylic and also be set in the acrylic. These look more like craft glitter, not nail glitter. They are very big. Not excited. On the roof we have door number 17 and a flamingo. We have here a liquid highlighter. This is also in a mini size and it contains 2.5 milliliters. Ooh, so pretty. It has a very slippery, greasy texture again. It looks like a very light champagne highlighter with a lot of glitter particles. I think we have some very fine gold and purple micro glitter. It also dries out. It is looking more like a transparent glitter highlighter. This is the highlighter from door 12 and I'm going to take a little bit of this and also use it on top of this. It doesn't change a lot, the purple highlighter. Okay, it is what it is. We have more glitter here. This time they are loose glitter. And let's see the color. Oh, we have an applicator again. With a shifter we wouldn't have so much fallout. Okay, let's see just the color. Oh, so sparkly. I'm going to use a little bit of the glitter glow because it is just pointless to swatch the loose glitter here. I mean, ooh, very pretty. These are lilac glitter and we also have some deep berry and silvery. I don't have a lot of glitter transferring on my finger. That's very good. That means that the glitter glue is working. How many times did I say glitter in this video? 19. And this one here is a metallic lipstick. It is looking like a dark brown berry shade. It has a very light sheen, but I like it because it's not very metallic. It is looking more like a lip gloss, I think. On the roof we have 20. This looks like a beautiful, gorgeous, peachy lip gloss. I'm very curious to see how it looks. Well, it's not very noticeable on the back of my hand. It has some very fine gold sparkle in it and it is super glossy. Glitter eyeliner. And this is, don't tell me again, loose glitter. Eyeliner! I found it! And this one too is a clear glitter eyeliner and it has silver glitter in it. So it's not an opaque silver eyeliner. It is like liquid glitter. It is an easier way to use glitter. The handle is very short to use it on your eyes. With all of these lights, they look a little bit cheapish, but without all of this artificial lighting, they look very sparkling and very beautiful on the skin. They definitely want us to use glitter these holidays. 22. is another gold eyeshadow or highlighter. This is not a very shiny golden highlighter, but it is going to look fantastic on darker skin tones. Up next, more glitter? Why? It says it is an eyeshadow, but we both know that this is pressed glitter. This one has some fuzzes. That's very weird. It looks like a thread. Yeah, it has the same weird formula. It is like a gel paste, glitter paste. I don't know what happened with this one, but it's not very sanitary to have particles in a makeup product. I'm not comfortable in using this one. Let's continue with door number 24. No, more glitter. No. And this time we have star glitter. These are for your hair and body. Who wants to have this on their body? You can use this to make some glitter freckles. They are very cute. I have done my calculations and I couldn't find the prices for the glitter and the glitter glue. I really wanted to like this advent calendar because of the price and also the cuteness, but the variety of the products is so disappointing and we got only mini size products. At the same price you can also find the two Essence Advent calendars. One of them is 20 euros and the other 25. You can find both of them here to see the products. The overall value for this one is 36 euros. We can say around 40 euros. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and also click on the notification bell, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!